What if you could build beautiful, touch-enabled interfaces for your embedded project in just a few steps? This is possible with the help of the Light and Versatile Graphics Library, or LVGL. In this video, we will start with an introduction to LVGL, then showcase its capabilities by running the Zephyr LVGL demo on a Renesas evaluation kit. LVGL is an open-source graphics library made for embedded systems. It is lightweight, highly customizable, and optimized to run even on microcontrollers and processors with limited resources. With LVGL, you get a wide range of ready-to-use widgets, including buttons, sliders, charts, and text areas. It supports animations, themes, and touch input, and works with a wide range of display and input drivers. For more details, visit the official LVGL website through the link in the description. In the second section, we will provide an overview of the components involved in this demo. We will start with overview about Renesas hardware and then provide a brief look at the Zephyr LVGL demo. Renesas boards are a great fit for LVGL thanks to their built-in graphics features like LCD controller, 2D engine, touch support, and MIPI DSI interface. In this demo, we will be using the Renesas EK-RA8D1 kit, which includes a 4.5-inch TFT LCD with capacitive touch. For more details on the Renesas EK-RA8D1 evaluation kit and its accessories, check out the link in the video description. On the software side, Zephyr runs the LVGL graphics library to render the user interface. The display driver then works with the Renesas EK-RA8D1's LCD controller to send graphics over the MIPI DSI interface to the LCD panel. For user interaction, LVGL uses Zephyr's input drivers to capture touch events from the capacitive touch panel and map them to on-screen widgets like buttons and sliders. Now, let's take a look at the Zephyr LVGL demo. It includes several demos that showcase its features. In this video, we will focus on the music player demo, which offers a modern, smartphone-like interface. In the third section, we will walk through the steps to run the Zephyr LVGL demo on the Renesas EK-RA8D1 board. This section will cover both the hardware setup and the software configuration. Please note that this guide uses Windows 11 as an example operating system. For detailed hardware setup instruction, please refer to the Wiki in Renesas GitHub, specifically the EK-RA8D1 sample and demo hardware configuration page. The link is in the video description. With the hardware ready, let's set up the software. First, open Command Prompt as a regular user. Next, activate your virtual environment and navigate to the Zephyr source code folder. Now, switch to the main branch and pull the latest updates. After that, update all Zephyr modules with West Update. Then, open the West Workspace folder in VS Code. Navigate to Zephyr Project, Zephyr, Samples, Modules, LVGL, Demos, Boards. Create the file EK-RA8D1.config and add these memory settings to ensure the demo has sufficient memory to run. Next, go back to the Zephyr source folder and run the build command. Once it finishes, flash the code to the board with this command. After flashing, a music player interface will show on the LCD panel. You can start or stop the music, or switch to the next song.